working with construction or engineering project management, and have a P3 file from legacy Primavera. These files contain complex project schedules. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening Primavera Project Planner files for project management. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your P3 file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A .p3 file contains project planning data created by Primavera Project Planner P3, an enterprise project portfolio management software. Users interact with this file to manage complex project schedules, resources, and costs. The primary intent is to open, review, or update large-scale project plans. The .p3 format is a proprietary database file structured to store a complex web of interconnected project data, including tasks, dependencies, resource allocations, and timelines. Its binary design was optimized for rapid data retrieval and calculation within the Primavera application, crucial for managing large projects. Oracle Primavera P3, developed by Oracle Corporation, serves as the industry application standard for P3. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows may offer minimal previews, but complete visibility requires a compatible application. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your P3 file and choose Open With. Check for Oracle Primavera P3 and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. If the P3 file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Because the P3 format is highly specialized, general solutions often fail. To ensure a proper fix, let's verify these crucial details on our checklist right now. First, opening in Primavera P6. Install Oracle Primavera P6 from oracle.com and use the import function for legacy P3 files, which P6 supports through built-in conversion. The complete project schedule transfers to P6 with most data preserved during conversion. Review the imported project for any conversion issues, particularly with custom calendar definitions or complex resource assignments requiring manual adjustment. Next, conversion tools. Use Oracle's conversion utilities or third-party tools like Sched Consult P3 Converter to transform P3 files into modern formats. The tools handle the proprietary P3 structure, converting to XER, MPP, or XML formats compatible with current project management systems. Verify converted projects for accuracy, especially for complex resource and cost calculations. Finally, documentation approach. For projects requiring long-term reference, generate detailed reports from P3 files in readable formats like PDF or Excel. The print and export functions in Primavera P3 produce comprehensive project documentation, independent of software availability. Maintain both source P3 files and exported documentation for flexible long-term project record retention and historical reference. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.